Hello guys, welcome to Geendle, and today we have this exponential problem and let's solve it quickly. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video and maybe share, but please drop a comment if you would like to. So we have 5 to the x times this square. We have this index x, 8 to the x minus 1 equals 500. So let's solve it, guys. Well, first of all, let me say here that I can write this 500 as 5, right, times 100. And 100 is what? I can write this as 25 times 4. So here, this is 5 to the power of 3 because this is 5 to the 2. And then we have times 2 square, which is 4. So now from here, we can rewrite this one here. Let's work on this first. 8 to the x minus 1, this is 8 is 2 to the 3, right? It's 3, which multiplies then x minus 1. So this is going to be 3 to the power of 3x minus 3, right? So we can now rewrite this. We're going to have 5 to the x times, and now this square here, okay, so this one all to the power of 1 over x, okay, because if we have x here and let's say we have a here, this is going to be a to the power 1 over x. So we write this here like this, and then we have 2 to the power, this one multiplies 1, we're going to have then 3x minus 3 all over x. Now we can rewrite our equation here, which we're going to have then 5 to the x times 2 to the power of 3x minus 3 divided by x, and then this is equals to this one here, which is 5 to the 3 times 2 to the power of 2. Now I'm going to divide both sides by this one here. So we're gonna have here, let's divide by 5 over 5 to the power of 3 times, and here we're gonna divide by 2 to the power of 2. We do the same here, right? Square here. So guys, from here we're gonna have 1 in this on the right side, and this one we have just 5 to the x, sorry, we have then 5 to the x minus 3, which multiplies 2 to the power of 3x minus 3 over x and minus 2, and then this is equal 1. So let's work on this power here. We have then 3x minus 3 all over x minus 2. So this one is going to be 3x minus 3 minus 2x all over x, and then this is going to be this minus this. We're going to have x minus 3 divided by x. So from here, guys, we have that, let me erase this. So we're gonna have then from here that this is 5 to the x minus 3, which multiplies 2 to the power of x minus 3 all over x, and then this is equal 1. So now we see I have x minus 3 here. So I'm gonna say this is x, this is 5 actually, times 2 to the power 1 over x. If I multiply this all by x minus 3, it's the same thing, right? So now we're gonna have 1 here. So from here we can apply log. Let's say that we have x here, so we're gonna 2 to the power 1 over x. So I'm gonna apply log and base 2 in both sides of the equation. So we're gonna have then this one here, log of 1 base 2. This is 0. So now this one comes down here, we're gonna have x minus 3, right, which multiplies log of 5 base 2 times 2 to the power of 1 over x, and then this is equals 0. So from here we have then x minus 3 equals 0. So and here we have log, we have the multiplication rule here, right? So this is log of 5 base 2 plus log base 2 to the power 1, sorry, and we have had 2 to the power 1 over x, and then this is 0, right? So we keep this one here, log 5 2 plus, this is going to be just 1 over x, and then this is 0. So I'm working on this and I forgot this one here. So from here we're going to have x1 is equal to 3. Okay, our first answer. And then working from here, guys, we going to have actually what? Let me say this one goes to that side. So we're going to have 1 over x equals what? Negative log of 5 over 2. Base 2, I mean. So now we're going to have x multiplying this one. So at the end, we're going to have x equals to, so not at the end, let's explain it very well. So we're going to have then here 1 equals to minus log of 5 base 2 times x. So now we're going to have 1 over, to divide by this, negative log 5 of base 2 equals x. So by applying the inverse rule, we're going to have then that this is going to be minus log of 2 base 5. Okay, so this is our x2. Okay, guys, so let's check our answer with one of the let's check our answers. So let's pick this one here, which is going to be more easier and it's going to save us some time. So we're going to have 5 to the x, and then we have x here, a to the x minus 1, and this is 500. So this is then 5 to the 3 times cubic root of this is 8 to the power of 3 minus 1, it's 2 equals 500. And then we have 5 to the 3, and then we have here what we have. This can be written as cubic root of 2 to the power of 2, right, to the power of 3. Okay, this is 500. So this goes with this. Now we have 1 to 5 times 4, and this is well, if we multiply this, actually we're going to have what? 500 equals 500. So thank you for watching. This is Geendle. Guys, please subscribe and drop a comment. Thank you very much. See you. Bye bye.